To repair a chip in a windshield with the Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit, work in a shaded area for the first steps. Lightly scrape off the chip with the razor blade to remove any loose glass. Clean off the area around the chip for the suction cups. Center the hole in the applicator base over the chip and push down on the suction cups. Screw the resin chamber into the center hole on the base and make contact with the rubber gasket on the bottom of the resin chamber. You want the gasket to be flat against the windshield, but not with excessive force. When you add the resin, you can snug up the chamber if resin leaks out. Cut off the tip of the resin bottle. Squeeze 3 to 6 drops of resin into the resin chamber, depending on the size of the chip. Screw the pressure driver into the chamber to drive the resin into the chip. Tighten it until it's almost all the way down. Check from inside the car that the resin has filled the chip. If not, give the pressure driver a quarter turn to put more pressure on it. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Wipe up any resin that leaks out or scrape it off when it cures. Unscrew the pressure driver and check that the chip is filled with the resin. If not, add a couple more drops of resin and screw the pressure driver back into the chamber. Then allow it to set for 5 minutes. Remove the base by prying up the suction cups. Use a paper towel to prevent the resin from dripping on other surfaces. Add 1 drop of resin over the chip and cover it with a curing strip. No pressure is needed on the curing strip. Move the windshield into direct sunlight and allow the resin to cure for 10 minutes or until the resin is dry. Remove the curing strip. Hold the razor blade at a 90-degree angle to the windshield and scrape off the excess resin from the windshield. Repeat, adding 1 drop and a curing strip if needed to fill the chip.